Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use trial funds in KuCoin. KuCoin trial funds are a fantastic way to explore different investment products without risking your own capital. Think of them as a bonus that lets you try out features like lending or futures trading. You can earn actual profits from these funds, which is a great incentive to learn and participate in the KuCoin ecosystem. It's a smart way to get started. To activate your trial fund, first log into your KuCoin account and find the My Bonuses section. Here, you'll see any available trial funds. Simply click to activate the one you want to use. It's crucial to review the terms, like which product it applies to and its validity period, before confirming. This ensures you use it effectively for maximum benefit. The process is straightforward. The main benefit of using KuCoin trial funds is earning real profits. These earnings are typically deposited directly into your main trading account once the trial period ends. You can then choose to withdraw these profits or reinvest them into other KuCoin products. It's an excellent way to gain experience and potentially grow your portfolio without any initial personal investment. Remember a few key tips for trial funds. Always be mindful of the expiration date. You don't want to miss out. Also, understand that while you earn real profits, the initial trial fund amount itself is not withdrawable. Only your generated earnings can be taken out. Some funds might have specific conditions, so always read the fine print to maximize your benefits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.